Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today vlog started a little differently. As soon as I woke up in the morning, I was not feeling well at all. I had cold, cough and also throat pain. Nowadays the weather has become quite cold and for the last 2 days I was eating curd. So maybe because of that my health got worse. Because of this, I didn't feel like cooking anything for breakfast today, so we decided to order breakfast from the outside through Zomato. After waiting for around 50 minutes, finally our order arrived. We had ordered idli for breakfast along with the chutney, sambar were also given. Honestly, because of my health, nothing felt exciting or tasty, but still we managed to eat. These idlis were quite big in size, and just two idlis were enough to make the stomach full. After finishing breakfast, there was still some work to do at home. The clothes had already dried, so I had to fold them and keep them properly, but it was very difficult to do even a small task because I was not feeling well. Still, I thought if I leave the clothes messy, it will irritate me more later. So slowly, one by one, I started folding all the clothes. It took some effort, but finally I completed it and arranged everything properly in the almirah. After finishing this, my body felt even more tired and weak. So I decided that it's time to take medicine. I took a Cinerus tablet. That moment, I was shooting with one hand, which was actually a bit difficult, but finally I managed. After that, I made some black tea, more like a Kara type tea, to feel better. Then I applied balm and also took steam, which really helps during cold and cough. During all this, I felt that rest is very important. So I went to sleep again for around 2 hours. After waking up, we all started feeling hungry. So I decided to make something quick and easy. I made Indomie Maggie for everyone. It is very simple and comes with its own masala, oil, and sauces. As you can see, we engage the Maggie. Sometimes simple food with family feels the most comforting, especially when we are not feeling well. So, this was my simple and real day vlog while being unwell. I hope you like this. So, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.